David Alcock. I'm the Deputy Chief Executive of Addaction, which is a national charity that delivers drug and alcohol misuse services and mental health services across the UK. So the reason why we started this project was we merged with a mental health organisation, and that prompted us to look at our processes and the way that we were structured. And that included looking at our information governance, information strategy, and included within that project was the whole element of how we got richer information, richer intelligence from the various silos of data that we held across the organisation. So there was a need to try and also get better value from the kind of analytical skills within the organisation in terms of more value add and less of the manual data pools, etc. So that was one of the primary purposes for the work that we kicked off. We recognised the fact that there were a number of alternatives to Power BI, and we actually looked at the Gartner analysis in terms of who else was out there. We then approached a number of suppliers who could offer us a suite of MIBI software through quite an in-depth request for proposal process. And Northdoor was one of the respondees with the Power BI solution. But what we liked about Power BI was we liked the fact that from a usability perspective we were a Microsoft organisation, and it meant that a lot of our analytical skills, the people who do a lot of our analysis, were very Microsoft Excel, Access, comfortable and confident. And one of the big challenges for us is going to be embedding Power BI across the organisation, so it made sense to go with something that people felt comfortable with. The reason why we chose Northdoor was that their RFP was very detailed, it answered all the questions, and in terms of value for money it ticked the boxes as well, so it was quite obvious. We chose Microsoft Azure as the data warehouse based on the fact that we're a Microsoft organisation, we use Microsoft products, and it made sense in that it would plug and play with the Power BI package quite seamlessly. We wanted to use cloud-based solutions, etc., and it seemed the obvious choice. Northdoor worked very well with us in terms of making sure that the resources were required at relatively short notice, and in terms of supporting our key staff in terms of identifying which reports we want to run, in terms of pulling data, in terms of mocking up the demo reports, and then in terms of presenting those demo reports back to the project board in order for us to get the approval that we needed, which was great. The benefits of reporting the new Power BI reporting solution will basically mean we have much richer information across the organisation, particularly in services, which are 95% of our organisation. And culturally, it's about equipping the organisation to be more front of foot in terms of using intelligence to make better business decisions. In terms of our experience of working with Northdoor in the proof of concept to date, has been very positive. They've been very professional, they've been very responsive, and they've been very good at working with us as we go on a bit of a journey in terms of MIBI, and we're learning, and in terms of their flexibility and support in helping us on that journey. And I'm looking forward to moving into the implementation phase.